Number 113 in your classroom for polynomial functions asks you to determine if x minus 2 is a factor of this function here, which we'll call f of x. And so if we want to write it in completely factored form, so in order to determine if x minus 2 is a factor, we're gonna apply the remainder theorem, but then set the remainder equal to 0 immediately, because that is what the definition of a factor is when we can divide it without having a remainder. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Our remainder is when f of our 0 of the divisor, which is x equals 2. So when we plug in f of 2, we should get 0. And so we set that to 2 to the 4th plus 2 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 2. Now if both sides of this equation balance, so if the right hand side comes out to 0, that means that x minus 2 is a factor. So we have 0 equals 2 to the 4th is 16. Then we have plus 2 times 2 squared is 8. And minus 6 plus 2, which gives us 16 plus 8 minus 6 is 2, plus 2 is 4, gives us 20 on the right hand side, and a 0 on the left. So this does not equal each other, which means that x minus 2 is not a factor of the function. So x minus 2 is not a factor.